Alright, so let's treat one more law, and then we treat examples that has negative sign so we can know how to manipulate them. Another law, I'll call this law 4, is inverse. Alright, this law says when a number has let's say a negative index like this, the law says, let it be, to remove the negative sign rather, make this a denominator this way. Let me give you another example. If I have 5 raised to power minus 4, my answer is 1 over 5 raised to power 4. Okay, another example is if I have b raised to power minus 6. Alright, our answer is 1 over b raised to power 6. And similarly, if I have k raised to power minus 3, my answer is 1 over k raised to power 3. Now, having said this, let us now treat examples that will make use of all these examples that I've given you so far. So let's try further examples. Alright, so 1, I have, let's say, 5k raised to power 2 to be multiplied by 2k raised to power 4. How do we solve this? Very simple. 5 times 2. The bases here, 5 and 2, are not the same, so I'll multiply 5 by 2 to give me 10. Then I have k. K and k are the same, so I'm going to add their their index. So my answer will be 10k raised to power 6. Did you get that? Let's take another example. Let's say I have 40 p raised to power 2 divided by, let's say, 5p. What do we do? Our answer will be 40p raised to power 2, okay, over 5p. Then 5 here, 1, 5 here is what? 8. Now, how many p's do I have? 2 minus 1. You can just do it this way, 2 minus 1. Remember I told you once the bases are the same, find the difference. This is 2 minus 1. So our answer will be what? 8p raised to power 1, which is the same thing as 8p. Do you understand that? Let's take one more example. Let's say I have a raised to power 3, b raised to power 2 to be multiplied by a raised to power minus 2, or let's use minus 2, then b raised to power, let's say, 4. How do we solve this? Very simple. This base and this base here are the same, so I have a raised to power 3 plus, this multiplication law says add, but there's minus, so I'll introduce a bracket and put my minus 2 in brackets. Then I have b raised to power 2 plus 4. So in total, what do I have? I have 3 open brackets plus, I have plus times minus, that's minus, so I have a raised to power 3 minus 2, b raised to power 6. Then what's the next thing? 3 minus 2 is 1, so I have a raised to power 1, b raised to power 6. Now we don't write our answer as, okay, hold on please. We don't write our answer as raised to power 1, so our final answer will be a, b raised to power 6. So we ignore this one. Do you get that? So let me quickly review the 3 examples I've given you so far. So the first one, the bases here are not the same. 5 and 2 I multiply to give me 10, but k and k are the same, so I pick it and apply the law. Okay. Then the second one, the bases here are not the same. I divided. Why? The bases here are the same, p and p. I decided to get the difference between this power here and this power here. That's what gave me this final answer. Why the third one says I have a raised to power 3, b raised to power 2 times a raised to power minus 2 and b raised to power 2. Somebody will now say, why didn't I apply the law of making this a denominator? If I had done that, it will still give me the answer. Now let me show you. I have a raised to power 3, b raised to power 2, then times b raised to power 4 all over a raised to power 2. Why did I bring these 2 down? Remember what I told you. Look at the law. When it has a negative sign, the base becomes a denominator. So that is why it became a denominator here. So let's still work on it. So now I have 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. That will give me 1. Okay? Then 2 plus 4. That will give me 6. So it still brings me down to what I'm saying, which is A. I can't leave my answer as A raised to power 1. A, B, 6. Is that clear? Now I need you to study this very well. Study this very well. In our next class, we're going to look at more laws and more examples. Alright? More laws and more examples. So if you have questions to ask, please feel free. Use the comment section. Ask your question. If you have a question you want to solve, or you are solving and you're not sure of your answer, post the question and I'll definitely get back to you. See you in our next class.